nakita ko ba mga social media?
Attorney, bakit kami hawak kayong cross?
Grocery.
Comfort cross. I don't know. Just it comes with the
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Attorney, patingin nga po.
What was that?
It's a comfort cross.
It's a comfort cross. Do you always use that when you face the court?
Attorney, any message po sa mga sumusuporta sa sa social media?
This is not about me po. This is about the request for justice.
Attorney, just a clarification on your closing statement. Why was it important for the prosecution to frequently use the word scam or scam to drive down that point?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, we in the prosecution just want to speed a speed. To us, it was scam was master by the
Attorney, are you satisfied with Ortonio's testimony, given that a number of times said that no personal knowledge or that either the information is based on what happened on the ground or wala naman daw siya supposedly?
I think we've pretty much elicited what we wanted to elicit. What we wanted to elicit. And yung mga sagot niya na evasive, we kind of anticipated that.
Ma'am, do you intend, again, I know this was already answered yesterday, but do you intend to call to the stand Colonel Lachica, since this is the second witness who has been referencing to him?
I'm sorry, but I cannot comment on that at this time. Yes, to be candid, we at the prosecution, we're still deciding whether or not to call who and for what.
What are the considerations? Why can't a decision be made up until this point?
Sorry, this time I cannot comment on that.
Thank you. Well, can I take a photo?
May